Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. The Tokyo Olympics begin tomorrow, so I thought it would be fun to share another Japanese recipe on the channel. So today I'm sharing my version of Karage, which is Japanese fried chicken, tailor-made for the Weber Q. Let me go in and show you how it's done. For today's Karage recipe, I am starting off with 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. As you can see, I have already cut these into roughly bite-sized pieces, about 1/2 inch or 1 inch each. Now to make the marinade. First up, you need 1 tablespoon of sake. Follow that up with about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. As you can see by the green packaging, I am using low sodium soy sauce, but regular is fine. After that, I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. You can of course use freshly grated ginger if that's preferred. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of plain white sugar. And now, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to grab my garlic press and press those right on through. Perfect. Now for our final seasonings to this marinade. No surprise here, it's salt and pepper, both grinded to taste. That will do it for the marinade, so with your hand, mix everything thoroughly together. Once you've got your marinade ingredients evenly coated on all your chicken thigh pieces, go ahead and place that in the fridge and let this rest and marinate for about 15 minutes. And after a very quick 15 minutes, it's time to make our 2-ingredient batter. Go ahead and crack an egg and drop that right into your bowl of chicken. Next up, I am adding 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Now traditionally, Karage calls for potato starch, but cornstarch is a fine substitute and quite frankly, is easier to find. And now once again, with your hand, go ahead and mix everything together. Longtime viewers of this channel are probably used to me using my bare hands, which is perfectly fine, but as you can see, I'm using a glove today because this batter gets quite sticky and messy. Anyways, once mixed thoroughly, let's head on to the grill. Out on my back deck today, we will be cooking on my Weber Q2000. It has been preheating on medium with this cast iron skillet filled with a thin layer of olive oil. Place your chicken directly into the skillet. I've only placed half of my chicken into the skillet at this time. You don't want to cook it all at once with such a small skillet, because if your chicken is too dense in here, this uncooked and sticky batter will cause the pieces to clump together. Now it seems like my skillet is slightly tilted because the oil is pooling a little bit, so let's even that out. Perfect. Now shut the lid and let this cook for about 2 minutes. And after a very quick 2 minutes, I'm going to go check on my Karage and give them all a turn. They don't look too special right now, but don't worry, they'll get there. And once again, I'm trying to leave just a little bit of room between each piece of chicken so that the batter is not in contact with each other. Give it a bit of a toss and stir. Then close the lid and continue cooking. Repeat this process every 2 minutes or so for a total of 7 or 8 minutes of cook time. By then, your batter should start to turn golden brown and will not be so sticky. Instead, it will be crunchy and crispy and delicious. Now, the nice thing about Karage with chicken thighs is that you don't really have to worry too much about overcooking. Instead, the batter will just get crispier and crispier and crispier. That said, my Karage is looking pretty good, so let's pull these out of the skillet and off the grill and see how they look. These smell delicious. That soy and ginger marinade really brings out the aromas of the chicken. So traditionally, you'd serve up karage with any number of dipping sauces, like mayonnaise or mustard or tare or anything else in between. But today, I'm going to try this one straight up. Oh man, that is so good. Now wash that down with a asahi or 2 or 3, and you may mistake yourself for being in an izakaya. The batter really gives the chicken a unique crispiness, and because they're chicken thighs, they are very, very juicy as well. I really love that soy and ginger marinade. It really gives that extra punch that you might not be expecting. Anyways, give this recipe a go if you want to transport yourself to Japan. As always, if you enjoyed the content in this channel and on this video, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be back next week with another great new episode. Sayonara!